Alright guys, got a new lock here for you today. It's a NiT shrouded padlock, and it says high security right there. And it's made by Master. So, see if I can pick it. Picked it a couple of times earlier. Here's a look at the key bitting. It's pretty cool. Just looks like a set of stairs. I haven't tried raking the lock, so I don't think it has any securities because I haven't got a false set yet in it.
Somehow capable of commanding strict attention in a 5th grade classroom. The kid's human teacher says the scientists have a long way to go. And that's a wrap on this box trip around the world in 80 seconds.
What's this? What's this? Documentary? Man, right here, this is my business. Buying, selling, whatever. Slow. This is soft, man. Sales are down. Seems like half my customers, they don't even need me anymore, you know? I mean, they're getting high for free. Out of the medicine cabinets. How am I supposed to compete with that? Got kids? But next time something goes south for your kids, don't look at me, man. Ain't my problem.
Keyway's kind of tight.
Safeguard your prescriptions. Safeguard your teens.
It is an initiative which includes forest protection within the context of a wider, comprehensive strategy to deal with developmental challenges of a region.
What's this? What's this? Documentary? Man, right here.
And there it is, open. I've just now noticed that it was in a false set, so I gotta correct myself. There is maybe one security pin in there. It's probably just a spool pin. I don't know. I'm not sure if there's a non-destructive way to get this lock apart. I don't see one. But yeah, open, and not much more to say about it. If you like the vid, rate it. Also, have a good one, and see you folks next time. Bye.